All right, so number 6 on the QR code review for chapter 8 is asking us to evaluate the 6 trig functions for theta. So they give you a picture. Here's your angle theta. It's over here in quadrant 2. And they give you a point on that, on this terminal ray at -2, 3. So what we want to do is kind of like draw the triangle that this would create. This would be -2, this would be 3, this would be a right angle. This is the theta that we can use, but really we're using this angle here to describe all of the trig functions for theta. So this is your r value. So again, right, r is just equal to the square root of 3 squared plus -2 squared. So r is going to be the square root of 9 and 4, which is just the square root of 13. So that's your first move. Then you're going to plug that in and say, okay, now this is worth the square root of 13. Now you can figure out all the trig functions. So I'm going to go ahead and rationalize the denominator for each of them. So your sine is going to be 3 over rad 13. So rationalized would look like 3 rad 13 over 13. The cosecant is going to be rad 13 over 3. And I recommend doing them this way, so you can just do top and bottom. Cosine is -2 over rad 13. So rationalized would be -2 rad 13 over 13. The secant is the other way around. So rad 13 over 2. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be your 3/2, but your 2 is negative. And then your cotangent is the other way around. -2 over 3. So there you go. That's how you do all 6 trig functions for number 6.